Should I move out before my divorce is finalized? Does this give up my rights to property? Moving out before your divorce is finalized did not necessarily mean you give up your rights to property. You still retain your rights to your share of any equity built up in the property you own. Leaving your shared residence doesn't automatically forfeit your claims to your family home. However, if both you and your spouse want to continue living in the home after the divorce, your chances of being awarded the property may lessen if you've already moved out. Additionally, if you have minor children and decide to leave them behind when moving out, it could negatively affect you in a custody proceeding later on. For more information on how to protect your property rights during a divorce, contact Tim Hendrix at Tim Hendrix Attorney at Law, PLLC. Visit our website at www.timhendrixlaw.com for further assistance. We look forward to speaking with you.